Open your CapCut and import the video you want to edit. Once imported, drag it to the timeline. Move the playhead a few frames forward and create a freeze frame from the speed menu. Place this freeze frame at the end of a video, then drop down the Video Basic tab. Select a canvas and choose a color from different colors. Then go to the scale and decrease it. Now place this freeze frame on the top of the video and create a compound clip. Move the playhead to the beginning of the freeze frame and apply the initial keyframe by decreasing the scale of the freeze frame. Move the playhead a few frames forward and rotate the freeze frame a bit. The key frame will be created automatically. The last step is to add a sound effect. Go to the Audio tab and search for Camera Shutter Sound. Simply add this effect to the beginning of the freeze frame and your effect is ready. Once you are done with the effect, click the Export button and save your video.